Hello friends and welcome to the channel. Are you someone who has just started your career or planning to switch your career to become a cloud engineer or a DevOps engineer, but just wondering where to begin? Or are you someone who has already taken these roles but just wondering how to expand the depth and breadth of your skills in order to stand out and progress further in your career? If you answered yes, then my friends, this channel is for you. As I love sharing what I know, you will find tons of useful information in this channel about cloud engineering, different cloud providers out there and the services that they offer, and how to start your journey as a cloud engineer, and much more. Not only that, we'll be talking about different programming languages, mainly Python, different IDEs, and various tips and tricks that will help improve your productivity at work. No matter whether you are a beginner or a seasoned professional, there will be juice for everyone, and that was my purpose of creating this channel, that is to increase the skill level of everyone who is watching these videos. If this sounds interesting, welcome aboard. Hi, my name is Waseem, and for the sake of a brief introduction, I am a software engineer with more than a decade of working experience in different service provider companies and product-based startups. Due to that, I have first-hand knowledge of the challenges that the both type of companies face. In all these years, I have worked in different modes: on-site, hybrid, fully remote with asynchronous communication that I personally like the most. You must be thinking what all these buzzwords are, but don't worry, we'll be talking about all these in detail in later videos when we discuss about career progression and different modes of working. As far as my academics go, I was humbled when I was honored 3 gold medals during my bachelor's graduation ceremony, and the rest is history. So coming back, let's dive a little deeper and see what we'll be covering in this channel. Number 1, we'll be talking about cloud, mainly AWS, and the different services that it offers. For each service, we'll be covering the basics, its pros and cons, its use cases, and hidden gotchas. I'll practically walk you through the hands-on implementation of relevant projects that will complement your theoretical knowledge while having some fun, hopefully, on the way. Number 2, we'll briefly talk about different programming languages, but mainly it will be Python. We'll start by seeing how to set up different Python projects, dealing with project dependencies and different powerful features of the programming language. Number 3, we'll be coding in integrated development environment called IDE such as VSCode, and we'll see how to write the code efficiently using different shortcuts and tips and tricks that will help boost the productivity and make you a magician in the eyes of everyone who sees you working at your machine. Hopefully I was able to give you a warm welcome to this channel, and I confidently hope you to introduce to even warmer, or I should say hotter, topics of today's tech industry in the upcoming videos that will help you advance in your career. I do not consider myself expert at anything, but I really hope that I'll be learning together with you as we discuss different topics here. To make sure that you don't miss out, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to give a thumbs up to motivate me to create more videos. If you have questions or ideas that you want me to talk about, do share those in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video where the rubber really hits the road. Till then, bye-bye.